Hi everyone, this is Bhavna and recently I have completed my CFE course from Association of Certified Fraud Examiners. I've been receiving so many questions from a lot of people, around CFE. So I thought of making a video and answering all those questions in the same. This video is going to be into different parts. In each part there is a set of questions that I'll be answering. Questions like what is CFE, what is it used for, what is the eligibility criteria, how much does the certification cost, and how to prepare and clear the exam. So let's just address the first question, that what is CFE and what it is used for. So CFE basically stands for Certified Fraud Examiner. So anybody who has a career or who wants to build their career in fraud, it is for them, and it is a professional certificate which is offered by Association of Certified Fraud Examiner. It is basically, it enhances your credibility in fraud detection and investigation field, and it also improves your career opportunities in future. Whoever wants to build a career in fraud prevention and investigation, CFE is a must. CFE is recommended. Now let's come to the eligibility criteria. So the eligibility criteria to give CFE or to register for CFE is that you should have 2 years of fraud experience, or if you are a fresher and you don't have a fraud background. So in the ACFE portal there are so many different kind of webinars that those people conduct. So and by attending each webinar you get a certain points which is called CPE. So just get go to the website and see in their portal what is the eligibility criteria for CPE. Since I had a background in fraud, so it was very easy for me to enroll for the exam. Now let's come to the third part, that how much does it cost. So when you're registering for CFE, there are two costs. One is for members and one is for non-members. So just get in touch with your employer and check whether you have the membership with the ACFE or not. So if you have membership, just check with them what is the best package that they recommend, and you also need to check with your employer whether they get they give reimbursement or not, and how to proceed with the CFE enrollment. And if you don't have a membership, then you need to go for the non-membership cost. So since my employer has a collaboration with ACFE, so I did not need to spend extra cost for membership fees. So since my employer already paid for my membership fee, so I just had to pay the exam fee, which costed me around 37.5k. So once you enroll for the exam, you have 2 years of time period, and within those 2 years of time period, after enrolling to the exam, you have to activate the eligibility. So once you activate the eligibility, from that day you have 60 days to clear the CFE certification. Now, so CFE basically has 4 exams. So you need to prepare for each subject, schedule the exam and clear the same within a time period of 60 days. So you have only 60 days to schedule your exam and clear it. And you have a two years of time period to prepare for all the subjects. And within those 60 days, you have to schedule your exam, and you can give it any time. So the basic course material involves the fraud manual, which is like of 2000 pages. And reading 2000 pages and learning everything from it and then giving the exam is quite a difficult task. So what I recommend to everybody is just go and check with the CFE help desk. So they will tell you what are all the packages that they have. So they have basically 3 packages, which is silver, gold and platinum, consisting of various features. So I took the silver one, which costed me around 50,000 after certain discounts. So just message me on the comment box and I will tell you how to get those additional discounts while buying the prep course. So prep course is basically very useful. So it costed me somewhere around 50k for the silver package. So in the silver package you will get a fraud manual. You will also get a digital fraud manual, which is shortened version of the fraud manual. And then there is a prep course in which I feel it is the best resource for preparing for CFE exam. I did not go through the fraud manual because it is quite an impossible task to just go through all the subjects and clear the exam within a time period of 60 days, because I did not want to extend it for like 2 years. So I just went with the CFE silver prep course, and in the prep course it is basically a shortened version of the fraud manual. Along with you have the study plan. And along with that, once you complete one topic, you will have certain questions, just to check your knowledge on the lesson that you have just gone through. So once you're done with each chapter, you will have the review questions, and by the end of the subject, so let's say that you have completed one subject, you will have around 300 to 400 questions. It's kind of a mock. You can give it like n number of times. So before scheduling the exam, just give it like 2-3 times, and then you are ready to go. And what I recommend is schedule your exam at least 15 to 30 days before, because you will not get your desired slot otherwise. So whichever date and whichever time that you prefer, really I would highly recommend that you schedule your exam at least 15 to 30 days prior. So that's it. I guess like I told you, the CFE prep course is very useful. Just go through the subject, go with each after each lesson, go through the review questions, check your knowledge after every subject. You just have to sit for like 3-4 hours continuously, and just give it at one go, and do it like 2-3 times, and you're good to go for the exam. And I'm really sure that if you do it sincerely, you will definitely be able to clear the CFE exam. It is not that difficult if you study properly. So that's all from my side. If you need further help, and if you have other queries, just reach out to me. You can mail me, or you can also leave your comment in the comment section, and whenever I have time, I'll just pick it up, and I will try my best to answer your queries. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the best in your CFE journey. Thank you.